In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use movie clips without getting hit with copyright claims, and I'll also share some free websites where you can download these clips legally. Let's begin with the basics of fair use. This policy allows you to reuse someone else's content, but only when certain rules are followed. First, you can include only a small, limited portion of the original video. Second, you must transform the clip, meaning you add commentary, context, edits, or combine it with other elements so it becomes part of your own creation. And finally, the reused clip should not look identical to the original in a way that replaces its purpose. With movie scenes, this usually means adjusting the visuals, trimming the audio, or heavily editing the clip. Now that you understand the essentials, let's explore some websites where you can find movie clips for free and use them in your YouTube videos. The first website is yarn.co. It's a massive search engine that helps you find clips from movies and TV shows in seconds. Just type a word or phrase into the search bar, and Yarn will show you scenes where that exact line was spoken. Once you find the scene you want, simply hit the download button and you're good to go. Yarn also includes fun sections like memes, quizzes, emoji clips, and stories, perfect for creators looking to add some personality and humor to their videos. The second website is comb.io. This one is specially built for finding clips from animated shows like The Simpsons, Family Guy, Rick and Morty, and many more. Just type in any line, word, or phrase, and comb.io will instantly pull up the scene that matches. You can even combine multiple short clips and export them as a single video, which gives you a lot of flexibility when creating funny or engaging edits. Next up is playphrase.me. This site was created to help learners practice English pronunciation, but it's extremely useful for creators too. Type in any phrase, and you'll get 5 quick clips from movies or TV shows where the line is spoken. You can download each one using the small download button and easily insert them into your project. It's a fast and simple way to make your content more engaging. The last site is ShotDeck. Unlike the previous ones, this website doesn't give you video clips. Instead, it offers ultra-high-quality still frames from thousands of films. ShotDeck is used by filmmakers, designers, and creators to find cinematic reference images. You can download frames for use in your YouTube thumbnails, visual storytelling, analysis videos, or memes. It even provides detailed info like camera types, lens data, color palettes, and lighting notes. Super useful if you want to study filmmaking techniques. And that's the list. If you want even more tools to help you create YouTube content faster and easier, check out the recommended video on your screen right now. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.